Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to get the 7-day free trials on Crunchyroll. So let's get started. On Crunchyroll we have watchlist, Crunchlist, history, and offline mode. For offline mode you need to go premium to get access. Alright, we have all these anime like Demon Slayer, My Hero Academia, and many more. So let's proceed to the topic. To go to your profile, click on your account icon in the bottom right corner. In the membership section, you will see a subscription option. Tap on that. Alright. Next, tap on Go Premium. As you can see, at the top, you will see that if you start a subscription, you will get a 7 days free trials. So you just need to start a subscription and you will get a 7 days free trials. Alright. There are different deals available, like mega fans, annual mega fans, and the basic. Alright, so choose the deal that suits you the best. Tap on Start Subscription and you will be directed to Google Play. After that, set up your preferred payment method for the subscription. Alright, so now you know how to get the 7 days free trials on Crunchyroll. Hope it works, so that's it.